If somebody read our messages, they would be like, what the heck? Oh, go crunch. Crunch. Crunchity crunch. Crunchitize me, Captain. Bitch. What's that? I don't know. I want some of Nico's cake. Does he have any here? No. I should have told my grandma to save some of Zach's cake for me. Alright, he had freaking cookie cake.
I love food.
Me too.
I agree. Food is amazing.
I'm just gonna be the longest do this and there's your sun kissed. Yeah.